Let's prepare some delicious strawberry biscuits together. This is a simple and tasty version that might just be right for you. Keep in mind that strawberry-flavored biscuits might not be an Italian classic, but let's see how we can add an Italian touch to this recipe. Ingredients: 300 grams of type 00 flour, 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of butter at room temperature, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder for sweets, 1 pinch of salt, the grated zest of 1 lemon for an Italian touch, 150 grams of fresh strawberries, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar for the final dusting. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Wash the strawberries, remove the stems, and cut them into small pieces. In a bowl, mix the flour with the sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Add the softened butter and work the mixture with your fingertips until it resembles breadcrumbs. Add the egg and grated lemon zest and continue kneading until you get a homogeneous dough. Gently fold the strawberry pieces into the dough. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Take small portions of the dough and shape the biscuits, placing them on the baking sheet. Remember to leave a little space between them as they will expand during baking. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the biscuits are golden brown. Remove the biscuits from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack for desserts. Once cooled, dust the biscuits with powdered sugar. Fun facts: in Italy, it's quite common to find biscuits with pieces of dried fruit, like almonds or hazelnuts, but less common with pieces of fresh fruit due to their moisture, which can influence the consistency of the biscuit. The addition of lemon zest is a way to impart freshness and a pleasant citrus aroma that pairs perfectly with the strawberries. Enjoy your meal and have fun cooking these strawberry biscuits with an Italian touch.